Welcome back, you're watching Unity Car, and today we're taking you into a world where there are no walls, only roads. This is the 2025 Camperino, a new way of living, a different lifestyle. It's not just an ordinary camper, it's your own little world that travels with you wherever you go. Camperino is for those who don't just travel, but choose to live each day differently. It's made for people who value freedom over routine. The design is simple, but everything you need is perfectly in place. A clean, comfortable bed where each day ends and the next begins, a small table where you can sip tea or write down your thoughts, and smart storage that keeps everything organized and within reach. As soon as you step inside, you feel peace. No noise, no crowd, just you and your space. There's a small modern kitchen with all your basic needs thoughtfully arranged. Camperino isn't some glass palace, and it's not a fantasy, it's real, built for people like you. A small fan, solar-powered lights, openable windows for fresh air, and that quiet evening stillness that only those who truly live can understand. This camper frees you from the traditional way of living. No schedules, no boundaries, just you, your road, and the Camperino. It's not only practical but affordable. Low maintenance, low fuel use, and easy to move, no need to worry about city traffic or parking spots. Just stop wherever you feel like it. If you've ever dreamed of a life that's fully yours, no routines, no rules, then Camperino might be your first real step toward it. For more honest and meaningful campers like this, stay tuned to Unity Car. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay connected with us, because every video here is more than just about a vehicle, it's about a feeling.